welcome back to Took's Craft Table. Happy New Year's Eve, everyone. I hope you all had a wonderful Christmas and now is to getting ready to celebrate New Year's. We don't really do much, just hanging out, and we are going to do some finger food leftover from Christmas and all that stuff. And today I just thought I'd come and say Happy New Year to you all and share with you a tabletop calendar that I just shared on my Ko-fi. So sorry, it's a mess. I just started cutting out some pages, and so if you want to get these little cute calendar, so go ahead to download, and I just want to show you how I put them together. So just a quick video, and I will cut out all the pages, and then we will assembling together. Okay, it's all cut up, and I left these stands, so I want to talk about how you cut the stand. I print everything else on a regular printing paper, which is, I use 24 pounds for that, and I cut, a page come in like this, so I cut cut it out like this so we can fold in half. And the stand, it looked like this, and mine, it didn't print out the whole thing, so I think because of the paper, because I print on cardstock, my printer doesn't like cardstock, so it probably grab it differently, but it should be enough to make a stand. And so basically, the stand, you just cut along the color line and then fold it in half. So how's everyone doing? Oh, we got the house tidy up so quick. Like as soon as the kid left, we just like boom 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 pack all the way, so it's nothing to worry. And this part, cut it all out in one piece. Okay, and then you fold this along this white line. I don't think I is it in half? Yeah, it's pretty much in half, folded in half. So it's totally up to you if you want the color inside or out. I like my color to be outside, so I fold another. Oh, let me grab my folder. So I fold these again along this line, and make sure you fold down the same length of and this is what you get. You're gonna get a W fold when you look at the size, so you fold it like that, right? So that you're gonna get the W shape. And now we're gonna start assembling. So fold all the cutout calendar in half and glue. And glue them together. So if you want the page to be stronger, you can use cardstock, or you can but I don't think you need to, because double thickness of this print paper will give you enough heft for it to flip. So now I didn't measure these to fit the hole, so I don't know what the hole will look. Oh, okay, this is go to the big size. If you don't have, this is okay as well. So make sure you line up. If it leaves a little white spot, you can go with the marker, but I try to match it back, front and back, as much as I can. So, and this way I add the bread so it look finished to you, and so you don't have to do anything else. Just try to make as simple as I can. And then what you do, you measure these, okay, and then make sure you go in center, and then you use your pencil and mark the hole, and then punch. Punch the stand. Okay, and now we're gonna try to get everything glue, and then hold on. So how do we attach these? So we're gonna glue the white part, okay? And then you put this stand. Try to, okay, it's a little, the folding thing, it's a little bit smaller than, but that's okay. That is okay. And then that's how you're gonna glue them, okay? And then glue the white part again. It's so fast, you might want to use a different glue. It's like try to position with the glue dry so quick. Okay, now you got a stand. You want, if you want it stand like this, you can adjust, right? So that's how you get your calendar stand up. If you want a stronger one, so you can print out regular stand on the regular paper and then backing with cardstock as well. You can use that, and you can use twist tie or regular paper, regular the yarn or something, or you can use zip tie, plastic zip tie, or you can use what do you call ring binding. I have these, but I don't think I'm gonna use it. I think it might be too big for it, so I just want to tie it with this. So okay, now I am gonna glue all of this together and we'll assembling. Okay, all cut, glue, and full, and all ready to assemble. So see, so all punch, hole punch. May, January, February, March, April, May, this June. Where are you, June? Did I miss June? Yeah, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. So we are going to tie. I tried to make it all look finished, so you don't have to like add the bread. I mean, feel free to add the bread to the calendar. Might be easier to, what you call, to fold over. Oh, it's all free, but that's okay. I think zip tie might be a small zip tie would be nice too, but this is nice too. Just make it loose so you have room to flip the page over. So do the same. I thought this would be like a really nice gift idea if you want to print and make and give to your children or your grandchildren. They can have it too on their desk, and when they do their homework they can think of you. Okay, and now we can tie the bow to make it look pretty. This is something easy and simple that you can make and you can give as a gift. It's like I like keep giving. What do you call it? That's, and then we can turn the page easily. Yeah, I mean, you can add the note. I mean, I just thought it's a good idea. So hope you will enjoy the share and keep it on your desk or make it as a gift to give to your grandchildren or your children. So have a wonderful New Year, New Year Eve. Sorry. And may your year fill with prosperity and good health and good wealth. We'll see you in the new year. Bye.